before we can do any work on the back end of this house, we're calling in an expert to make sure that the addition is structurally sound.
Because we want to do an open design concept, we want to make sure that the renovations we do to this kitchen are structurally sound. Hey! Hi, Leo. I'm Amanda.
Hi, I'm Leo with Beryl Engineering Inspection.
How you doing? Anthony Manzel with Manzella Services. I'm the building contractor.
So I understand we have a home here that you guys are getting ready to flip.
Yes.
Seen this 100 times before. I'd love to get in there and take a closer dive.
All right, let's take a look.
Check it out.
Come on.
I'm seeing the subflooring with the damage, so pretty much I need to know more about what you're envisioning to do to the house, because I have to approach this from two angles. Our first angle is going to be what's damaged that needs to be repaired. The subflooring issue by the plumbing. Over by the window, we have a lot of termite damage. That powdery stuff is actually termite poop. Then we need to figure out what we're going to do as far as rebuilding it. So knocking this wall out, for instance.
Yes, we're definitely going to knock this wall out for the kitchen.
I'm hoping that we can get around this, but sometimes we have to put a column right there in this wall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, because we plan on putting an island facing that way, going long ways, so we need to get that wall out. I mean, hopefully.
If we could have a header coming along the ceiling, an exposed beam, and not a support column, that would really help.
I'm getting the distinct impression from Leo that we're gonna have to do a lot of work to this house in order to get it up to code. All right, the infamous back patio.
That's really bad.
Okay, so flooring, not so good.
No, not at all.
And then we have the backyard. We have so much termite damage in this house, we could really use an expert opinion to see how it affects the deck, the siding, and the rafters outside as well. Okay, here's the beautiful backyard, the beautiful deck. So, Dolmar is wanting to keep this deck. Yes, no, it doesn't, no?
Well,
But you only looked at it for like 1 second.
we want to save what we can. We understand it's going to have to be rebuilt.
Most likely what we're going to have is you're going to have to take all the deck top boards off.
Okay.
We'll have to look at the joists and the boards underneath it.
Okay.
But yeah, there's not a single savable board here. Ooh. And that's all rotted. So this is a good example of wood that can't be saved, so I don't know what you're planning to do with the roof line here. This is all rotted from years of leaks. So what's gonna happen is your roof leak's gonna happen further back, and then it's gonna show up here at the edge.
Okay,
And that's all rotted. Yeah, that's all
We were
rotted.
anticipating replacing
yeah.
roof
Yeah.
boards.
What do you have to do next?
We can talk about the gazebo. Just be careful, this tripping hazard right here.
I'm just gonna jump.
Yeah, well, you'd probably be safer if you jump.
Right.
I like what I see here. This is what I want to see. I want to see dry plywood.
All right, so what's next after this?
Next is what I commonly refer to as the boring part. I need to take measurements of the whole house. We're gonna then draw a proposed structure, so then that can go to the city for permitting.
Okay. All right, Leo, we're gonna let you do your thing.
All right,
Okay.
let's do it.
All right.
Nice.
For now, Leo's going to complete his engineering plan using my design concepts to guarantee the structural integrity of this flip.
And I feel like this is gonna cost us more than we anticipated. A lot more than we anticipated.
After the engineer was finished taking his measurements, he was able to determine that the rest of the house is structurally sound and we can finish the demolition.